Conas a athraíonn animachal os Gaeilge. How nouns mutate in Irish. Inyo, be meidir branu na bally éagsúla athraíonn animachal sa Gaeilge. Today, we're looking at the different ways words change in Irish. Idir Séimhiú, Arú, Uatha, Iolra, agus an Tuiseal Ginideach, tá go leor bally gur féidir le animachal a athrú in Gaeilge. Between Lenition, Eclipsis, singular, plural, and the genitive case, there are loads of ways that nouns can change in Irish. Cuid a hain, Uatha agus Iolra. Part 1, singular and plural. Sean ceann is éasca le tuiscint, conas athraíonn focal idir Uatha agus Iolra. This might be the easiest to understand, how a word changes from singular form to plural form. Mar hampla an focal Uatha cat. For example, the singular word cat, agus an iver Iolra, quich, and the plural form cats. Sampla ella madra na an iver Uatha. Another example, dog or madra is the singular, agus an iver Iolra na madri. And the plural form, Adonai fada madri, dogs. Éasca go leor go fóil. Simple enough so far. Ach uaireanta athraíonn an focal go hiomlán, but sometimes the word completely changes. Mar hampla, ban. For example, with the word woman. Iver Uatha na ban, the singular form is ban, woman, ach an iver Iolra na mana, but the plural form is mana, meaning women. Agus tá go leor sampla eile mar sin freisin, sin mar atá sé. And there's plenty other examples like that too. That's just how it is in Irish. Quid a dó an Séimhiú. Part 2 is Lenition. Le Séimhiú curtar H tar éis an céad chonsan I vocal. With Lenition, you put an extra H after the first consonant in a word. Agus tá go leor cúiseanna, and there can be many reasons. Mar hampla, tar éis an focal mo, no do, no treish ivracha oraha. For example, after the word mo, meaning my, or do, meaning yours, or after certain numbers. Mar hampla, cat, ach mo, chat. For example, cat is cat, but my cat is mo chat. Sampla ela na, car, ach do char. Another example with car, but your car is dochar. Agus feiceadh tú an sin tá Séimhiú an. And you'll see there we have lenition and extra H. Quid a trí, Arú. Part 3 is Arú or Eclipsis. Le Harú, cuirtar conson breise riv an chéad conson den ochel. With Eclipsis or the Arú, you add an extra consonant before the first consonant of a word. Tá go leor cúiseanna a ríist. Mar hampla tar éis or, no bhuair, no ivracha oracha ella. There are many reasons again. For example, after the word or, meaning our, or bhuair, meaning your, or after specific numbers again. Mar hampla ríist le cat. For example, again with cat, ach ar got, no bhuair got. You have cat, but if you want to say our cat, it's our got, and your cat, plural, your cat, is bhuair got. Agus feicisiv tá G samresha, and you'll see there's an extra G in front of cat. Sampla ella na mbád. Another example would be with boat. Bád, ach ar mbád, no bhuair mbád. You can see here with bád, our boat is our mbád, and your boat is bhuair mbád. Agus an litir samreshin uair seo, ní G atá an ach M. And the extra letter this time is not a G, but an M. Feicisiv an nish ar an scólan na Arú na ar fad, agus cabbé consa na irin si dómh. You'll see on the screen now a full list of the eclipses and what letters they correspond to. Uaireanta freisin, cuirtar litricha breise ar an animachal ag brath ar Inscne. Sometimes as well we add extra letters to the noun depending on gender. Sin Inscne an ochel, no Inscne an duine. And that can be with the gender of the word or the gender of the person. Mar hampla is focal baninscnach an focal seachtain. For example, the word seachtain, meaning week, is a feminine word. Mar sin, derntu, seachtain ach an teachtain, le t samresh er. Therefore, you say seachtain, meaning week, ach an teachtain, meaning the week. You put an extra t at the start. Sin focal baninscnach, and again that's a feminine word. Sampla furinscnach na t-úll. A masculine word example is the word t-úll, meaning apple. Arisht, derntu, t-úll, ach an t-úll. Again, you say t-úll for apple, but the apple is on t-úll. Let t fleshkin rida, with a t apostrophe beforehand. Sin gá hampla de Inscne an ochel ag ahru litru an ochel. That's two examples of the gender of the word changing the spelling of the word. Ach orintha, ahrin Inscne an duine an focal freshen, but sometimes the gender of the person changes the word too. Mar hampla an focal cait arisht. For example again with the word cat. Ma tá muid kainter cait duine aigen ella, sé a cait no a chat. If we're talking about someone else's cat, the spelling can be either a cait without a h or a chat with a h. Sa sampla seo, is le buchel an cait le h, agus is le Colleen an cait gan h. In this example, the cat with an extra h belongs to a boy, and the cat without a h belongs to a girl. Orintha is féidir leis an Gaeilge a bheith mar mír mari. Sometimes Irish can just be like a jigsaw puzzle. Iolra sé an Tuiseal Ginideach. Number 6, the genitive case. Usáidim muid an Tuiseal Ginideach le húnéireacht nó cadribh a léiriú. We use the genitive case to show ownership or relationship between two things. Ahraíonn an dara animachal a chra sa chás sin. The second noun in a pair sometimes changes its form in these cases. Mar hampla ganzi agus far. For example, the words jumper and man. So ganzi far ach ganzi an ir. Jumper man changes to the man's jumper agus ahraíonn an litru, and the spelling also changes. Sampla ella na da agus doras. Another example would be colour and door. Da agus doras ach da an dorais. Colour and door changes to the door's colour occurring to I ag a dera, but you add an I at the end of door. Nábí bortha má tá cuma costa air. Don't be worried if that appears very difficult. Is féidir lom físeán omlán a dhéanamh ar as seomach. I can do a full video on the Tuiseal Ginideach in the future. Le dul siar a dhéanamh. To do a quick review, Uatha agus Iolra, singular and plural. Séimhiú, Lenition, Eclipsis. Inscne, gender. Agus fuiara on Tuiseal Ginideach. And lastly, the genitive case. Agus sin é gorinne a charge. And that's it for today, everyone. Ach ma hatan an físeán leat, den cínta chlár leis an canal. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Agus má tá ceisir beat fágs na tráchtar na híse. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Ach go dtíon cé ceann eile, sin é umse a charge, a sin a dó a trí.